Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to delete a notification on Facebook using your PC. Whether you're tidying up your notifications or removing something that's no longer relevant, this quick guide will help you get it done in no time. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see a bell icon. This is your Notifications tab. Click on it to open a list of all your recent alerts. Now, scroll through the notifications to find the one you want to delete. Once you've located it, hover your mouse over the notification and notice the three dots icon on its right-hand side. Go ahead and click those three dots. A small menu will appear with several options. From this menu, choose Delete this notification. And that's it. Your selected notification will be removed from the list instantly. This process can be repeated for any other notifications you wish to delete. It's a quick and effective way to keep your Facebook experience clutter-free. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with others who might need it. See you next time.